home, sweet home.
I love this fridge and smart recipes functions.
I think that this cabinet is really convenient. This is because it can remove the wrinkles and smell also.
You just choose the recipe and it will preheat and adjust the temperature by itself.
Very, very eye-opening and very happy for me.
This is so fun that there is so many beautiful, modern technology, new things.
I feel like I want to work here.
So happy to be here.
I met also a lot of other hire fans. The fans club was great.
Just keep doing your business, you're the best.
It was now nice to get to know everybody,